In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Meta Business Suite. Changing the display language is quick, and I'll walk you through it so your workspace feels familiar and easy to navigate in the language you prefer. First, open your web browser and search for Meta Business Suite. You can use any browser you like. From the search results, choose the official Meta site. Look for the trusted Meta or Facebook domain and avoid sponsored results that don't clearly show the official address. If your browser shows a padlock icon next to the URL, that's a good sign you're on a secure page. Once you're on the correct page, sign in. You can log in using your Facebook or your Instagram account, depending on which one is connected to your business assets. Pick the profile that actually manages your pages or ad accounts. If you have multiple profiles or permissions, make sure you're using one with the right access so settings are available to you. After you're in Meta Business Suite, go to Settings. You'll usually find a gear icon in the sidebar or a settings option in the left navigation. Click it to open the main settings area for your business workspace. Next, look for Language and Region settings. Depending on the version of Meta Business Suite you're using, selecting this may redirect you to your Facebook language settings in a new tab. That's normal. Meta centralizes language preferences so they apply consistently across connected tools. Inside the language page, choose Account Language. This is the option that controls the language used for menus, buttons, and labels throughout the interface. It's different from translation tools for posts. We're focusing on the interface language only. Now, select your preferred language from the list. Languages are typically displayed in their native names, so choose the one you're most comfortable with. If you also see region or format options, those control things like date, time, and number formats and won't change your interface language unless you specifically pick a different account language. When you're done, click Save if you're prompted. Some versions apply the change immediately, while others ask for confirmation. After saving, switch back to your Meta Business Suite tab and refresh the page. The interface should update to your new language. If you don't see the change right away, sign out and back in, or close and reopen your browser tab. If your browser has automatic translation turned on, consider disabling it for this site to avoid conflicts. That's it. You've successfully changed the language in Meta Business Suite and can continue managing your business in the language that suits you best.